Hello there, and then welcome to a brand new lesson. This is how Beyond Numbers, where we learn maths the easy way. I do hope you are doing well. Now, in this lesson so far, we have done simplification, addition, subtraction, and then multiplication of sets. In this lesson, we begin to explore how to divide sets. Now, this has to do with fractions that have both the numerators and then the denominators having sets. This is different from the conjugation, where we have to rationalize. We'll do that after this. So without much I say or do, let's quickly go into it. So there are just 3 steps we need to know whenever I want to divide sets. Okay. So first of all, check the index. If they are the same, combine the index for the numerator and then the denominator. After which, you can then do what? Divide and simplify. Mathematically, this simply means that if you have the root of x, so the nth root of x over the nth root of y, so far as they have the same root, then we can just evaluate them as the root of what? Their quotient. Very, very simple. So let's pick some examples and then see what actually this means. So for this first question here, it says you have to simplify the square root of 30 over the square root of 6. So square root of 30 over the square root of 6. Now, since they both have square roots, the rule is saying that what? We can combine the square roots for both of them. So that we draw a bigger one, then write 30 over 6. This is all the rule is saying. Then you can evaluate your 30 over 6. 30 divided by 6 gives us a 5. So you are going to get root 5. As simple as that. You see, very, very simple. Let's pick some few more examples as well. So with this example here, it says we should evaluate the square root of 50 divided by that of 2. Our solution. So it's the same as writing square root of 50 all over, since we are dividing, square root of 2. You see, and because they are all having the square root, we just rewrite it as 50 divided by 2. And 50 divided by 2 gives us a 25. So we have root 25. As simple as that. Now, we even know the root of 25 exists. You see, then the root of 25 is actually what? 5. So this here is our final answer. You realize that sometimes there are coefficients. So unlike these 2 examples we've done, which have no coefficient, let's take those that might have coefficient, so we see how it's going to be. So if you look at this new question we have over here, unlike the previous ones, we have coefficients, you see. And how do we apply the quotient rule also to solve this? So we have 4 root 20 all over 2 root 5. You see, we can rewrite this as 4 over 2. You see, so we are taking the coefficient and then working them separately. Then divided by, we can now put the 20 over 5 in the radical sign. 4 over 2 here gives us a 2. So we have our 2. Then 20 over 5 on the other hand gives us a 4. You see, so it's just the same rule we are applying here again. So we have 2 and then the square root of 4, which gives us what? 2. And 2 times 2 here gives us a 4. So this is what we call the quotient rule. Now, When it comes to division, even with this example, there is another method that will use the conjugate of sets. We'll do that in our next lesson, where we'll look at how to rationalize sets and then even evaluate divisions with rationalization. I'll leave some few examples for you to try on your own just to test your understanding. So these are the questions you have here, and you have to simplify them. There are just 5 of them. I do hope you'll be able to do them. If there's any issue of concern, you can always let me know at the comment section and I'll address that for you. Let's have beyond numbers where we learn maths the easy way. If this is your first time and you've not subscribed and you do want to, so that anytime I release a video, you'll be notified, you are welcome. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.